Okay, we have a Haas CNC Vertical Machining Center, model VF2D, serial number 33845. Machine was new in 2004. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has a Haas CNC control, rigid tapping, programmable coolant or P-Cool, a 20 position automatic tool changer, 7,500 RPM. We're running right now.
Yeah, it's got
1,000 RPM, very quiet, can barely hear it. We're going 4,000 RPM, it goes up to 7,500. That's 7,000 RPM. All right, we're gonna do a tool change or simulate one. Do another. Great. That's your x-axis. You have 30 inches of x travel, 16 of y, and 20 of z. You also have a T-slotted table. The T-slotted table is 14 by 36. That's your Z. All right. Hey, you've seen the axis. Also, there is a mist collector. Machine does have a chip auger as well. Hey, thank you for watching our video.